What is going on, everybody? Welcome to today's video. As you can see by the title, we have an absolute banger. We are at the beginning of August. The market has been frothy. You know, guys, there's a lot of fear around AI. There's a lot of hype around AI. At the end of the day, what matters, guys? It's all about the earnings, okay? So with that being said, I want to talk to you guys about 3 stocks that I believe that have immense earnings potential that I do believe are still fairly valued. Guys, listen, first off, I want to say I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. If you are ever seeking financial advice, please go to a professional. But I do spend a ton of time, a ton of research on these plays, so I hope I can provide you guys a lot of value. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Coming in at number 3 on our list this week, we have ticker symbol ZETA, Zeta Global. The CEO of Zeta Global, guys, is a man named David Steinberg. David Steinberg is a beast of a CEO. Getting into Zeta, a couple things that I really like about this company. So we're going to take a quick little look at the financial information. On a quarterly basis, we can see that we have consistent revenue, consistent profits, and consistent net income. Now, this makes a little bit more sense when we look at the annualized. In full year 21, we lost $250 million. In full year 25, we lost $30 million. And this year, we are going to reach GAAP profitability. Not only this, guys, but Zeta Global has partnerships with Palantir. It has partnerships with OpenAI. So with that being said, keep your eye on Zeta. They had a great earnings report. Big future coming out for them. Coming in at number 2 on our list this week, we have ticker symbol NOW, also known as ServiceNow. ServiceNow is a company that is ran by Bill McDermott. This company is very interesting because of a few reasons. I'm getting a power flicker. Let's hope my power doesn't go. Jensen Huang has came out and said that this is his favorite AI company by far. He thinks it's going to be worth $1 trillion one day. It's currently trading at 124.61. Now, the PE is at 71.35. It is higher than PEs I like. The only time I will buy a high PE company is when the valuation is in line. If I see the growth prospects are going to be coming in, if I see backlog revenues, if I see consistent operational efficiency, I don't mind buying a company that's a little bit more overpriced. The reason why is because they will grow into the earnings as long as the earnings are consistent. When we look at this on an annualized basis, guys, we went from 5.9 billion in revenue all the way up to 13.2 in 5 years. Not only that, guys, but net income almost 10x'd in that time. That is what as a recipe for destruction. This company is so well run. It's integrated in basically every major company. And I truly believe that ServiceNow is going to be one of the biggest runaway winners of 2026. The last company I want to dive into is Oscar Health, ticker symbol OSCR. Oscar Health has been my baby for the longest time. This is by far my favorite play in the entire stock market, without a doubt. We just had our earnings report, and the earnings report was amazing as per usual. Very strong member growth, very strong year-over-year operating efficiency growth. It's currently trading at an $8.4 billion market cap. Now, the annualized revenue in 25 was 11.7. They are targeting 20 billion. You have to be careful because investors care about earnings. But this company did make almost 700 million in net income. I have done so much research on this company, guys. 2026, 2027 look incredibly bright. This is the company that is bridging the gap between AI and health insurance. Think of it how Robinhood did with brokerages, how Robinhood disrupted, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, any of the big names out there. This is what Oscar Health is doing with health insurance. And they have the members, they have the growth, they have the team to back this. And this is why this is my number 1 play that I'm keeping my eye on. With all that being said, if you guys learned anything new at all in this video, feel free to leave a like, comment your thoughts down below. Feel free to save this. You can come back to it to see if I'm right or I'm wrong. And without further ado, let me know what you guys want to see in the next one. Peace.